This is Tech Girl, and join me as I film my very first vlog. So today, we're diving into the epic quest of building my very own gaming PC. This stuff is what I believe is best for me, and more importantly, won't make my wallet cry itself to sleep. And later on, you all can see how this thing performs. Now let's get started. Oh, but first, support me by clicking on that thumbs up button and subscribe. Remember that your clicks are what keeps my dreams alive. So here we've got the Ryzen 7800X3D, which is basically the superhero of gaming CPUs. Seriously, it's like the Batman of processors, minus the cape, but definitely the best on the planet. Says him. Now next, we've got the Asus GeForce RTX 4070. Now it might not be the absolute top tier, but it's what my pocket can afford. And it's ready to deliver solid performance without really breaking the bank. Next, for the motherboard, I've got the MSI B650M Gaming Plus. It's a medium tower size and a budget option, but it will do the job. Now this will be paired with a 64 Corsair Vengeance RGB memory with crucial 4 terabytes M.2. Okay, so now let me just move this stuff a little bit. Let's put this right here. And now for the CPU case. Ta-da! I've got the Corsair 2500X small tower. Not too shabby, huh? I like it. It's simple, stylish. Okay, let's put this in the side. Alright, and next on our list we have our SL360 liquid cooler. And we will also be using, as our power supply, we have the MSI Mag 850 watts. And of course, last but not the least, we have 6 of the Cooler Master CPU fan. So let's go ahead and start building this thing, yeah? also pro. Thanks for watching, everyone, and stay tuned for my gameplay and their benchmark. Paalam!